Let's do the B part of make contact, which is in-person meet. We'll create new lead. Let's give a name as Kelly1 Hook Jack INC, and email is compulsory, so I'll give it my email address. So lead is created. There is one initial call activity that gets created, which is mentioned in OpenTask as over here in the lead process flow section. So this tells us there is one open activity. We need to close this one, make the open task to 0 before changing any status. So let's try this one. If we can go across it. Now it does not allow to move further. We have to complete the task in order to change the status. So it says please complete the pending task before processing further. So we'll cancel this out, move to the activity, complete the task, which will be done by changing the status to complete. Let's do this. It's saved. So now we have to refresh it once. Since in this lightning mode it doesn't refresh the tabs completely, so we have to manually do it. Sometimes it gives a problem. On the details page of the leads, now there are no open tasks. We can change the status to in-person meet for the pick list following connection attempt status. Let's change this one and save it. What it does is it creates another open task for in-person meet, which says over here in-person meet with Kelly Hook, which is the name of the lead. Let's open this one, and this is the information. User can work on this one and then mark it complete. Let's mark this one complete because we have to mark this complete in order to move further if this prospect is qualified. So we are going to test it and move it to C, do a positive scenario and mark this complete. Once it's marked complete, let's go to the lead. There are no open tasks. No open tasks. Now, if everything goes well, let's move this lead to a qualified prospect. What this will do is it will auto convert this lead to opportunity and also create a contact and an account. Let's do it. So this is done. You will see this, the process stage. Everything is done. This is a spelling mistake, existing spelling mistake. So I'm not haven't changed this one. So let's go to the opportunities and see this auto converter lead here. I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the opportunity that got created. It has the past activities from the lead, which was initial call and in-person meet with Kelly Hook, and here is the account name Jack Incorporation Inc, email address, phone we did not enter, and this is the contact is Kelly Hook 1, which got created, this one. So we have passed this first scenario. Both of these scenarios are passed, B and C. We will mark it to green. user can take it further and proceed. And this concludes my video for this